Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with Didi. Today what are we making, Mom?
I make a bread pizza. It's already great cheese,
Very nice.
cucumber, onion, tomatoes, and if you want put in some garlic, you can put some garlic. And I mix with this all stuff
Why are we making bread pizza?
because you like it.
Yes, I love bread pizza.
It's like that.
Oh, okay, so you're mixing it all in.
Yes.
Alright.
And I put some
So where's the toast?
toast is maybe burn it.
Oh no, we're burnt.
Oh, lucky is a safe. That's fine.
Okay,
No problem. I put some salt in there. It's up to you how much you take it. And I put some garam masala. And if you want chili, you can put chili, red chili, green chili, and black pepper. Up to you. And I mix with the hand.
Okay. Beautiful, look at that. That's so nice.
And mix it. It's nice and very nice, colorful. Very nice. That's the color is brilliant. Everybody likes it. If you want, put some anything like corn. You put some what they call is mushroom. Up to you. And you put some olive oil as well. I put now is make simple pizza for you, not too much. Okay.
So only toast one side, yeah?
Toast only one side because it's a crusty underneath. Otherwise this softy is no good. And this one more. Fill with nicely and spread them cheese. I spread all of them. And now I have a little bit left. I put on the top. More stuffing on there. And now I put it under the...
I'm gonna put back in. Okay. Lock and load and in it goes. Right guys, as you can see they're being made. So just turn them around so that it evenly burns. And it melts all the cheese. Right, the moment of truth. You ready, Didi? Let's go. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And that is how you make pizza bread.
Brilliant! Thank you for watching. Bye. See you. New recipe. Thank you.